But it is a small contribution.
Kisawat ki MDC Jong ka Trinamool Congress lani ka TMC bahkan top ya ucerak momen upadinan di Shira u Alfonso Smarak bat u Ronaldo ke Sangma kilaya snok ti lang hakani ka Jingiakhih badang ya chakmat Jong ka Non-Gazetted Employees Association lani ka NGEA Jong ka GHADC ha William Point ha ka khatlai terik unailar. Kani ka Jingiakhih ka balas dang nadu ka nyau terik unaitung ka Dawa ban pelai no mardor ya ka Tulop ka badang saateng hadu sau pulai benai ban penlong an ya ka riti dustur jongki garo bat ban pendep yala ka jong ka thup kerteng jongki nong thap vote habakren syakilat pathai khubor u MDC u Ronaldo ke Sangma ulaong ba kalyang persya kadang yai beteng ban kershan ya kani ka Jingiakhih tat hadu ban da urlong ki jing Dawa jongki Nongtrei.
Two more additional points, which is the enactment of the Garo customary law and completion of the separate electoral roll, which is being stalled in the DCA, which is the District Council Affairs in the state government, and the separate electoral roll, which has been kept in abeyance for a very long time. To send a message to the government of the state and the EC that until and unless these aspirations and demands are not met, we will continue our agitations and we will stand with our NJ employees.
Nongtrei Youth Council West